Good morning, everyone. I hope so. You all are fine and you are doing well also, and you are completing your work also. So, today I am starting exercise 6.10, and in 6.10, what we are getting, these are the story sums. So, story sums or the statement sums are same. So, we have to use the statements. So, look here, the question number 1 is Tina had a ribbon 2 by 5 meter long. Maya had a ribbon 3 by 5 meter long. If both the ribbons are joined, what would be the total length? So, a piece of a ribbon with which Tina had, the length is 2 by 5 meter, and Maya had that ribbon that is of 3 by 5 meter. And question is saying if we will join that, right? So, what will be the total length of the ribbon? So, how to do? Firstly, we will write Tina had ribbon. How much? 2 by 5 meter. Maya had ribbon 3 by 5 meter. Now total length. Total means we have to do add. So total length of ribbon 2 by 5 meter plus 3 by 5 meter. We are joining it, right? So that's why we are adding. So now you can see denominator is same. Write one time. Numerator 2 plus 3. Add 2 plus 3 5. And this 5 denominator 5 by 5. So when you will divide 5 with 5, what will come? 1. So the total length of the ribbon is 1 meter. Right? So like this we have to solve. Now question number B is second is Bunty ate 1 by 4 of a chocolate and Mohit ate 1 by 4 of a chocolate. These are the parts given that how much chocolate they ate. So how much chocolate did they eat together? So means we have to do find the find a total chocolate they ate. So how to write Bunty ate chocolate? How much given? 1 by 4. Now Mohit ate chocolate is this is 1 by 4. Firstly I am solving this one mixed fraction. So 4 ones are 4. Add numerator. This 5 by 4. Now total ate chocolate. How much they ate total? So 1 by 4. This is the part of Bunty. Add Mohit part. What is 5 by 4? Now denominator is same. Write one time. Then numerator 1 plus 5. So what will come? 1 plus 5 6. 6 by 4. If you can see the 6 and 4 can easily divide by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So what will come here? 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Fine. So directly you can divide here. 2 3s are 6 and this is 2 2s are 4. Fine everyone. So you can solve like this. Now question number 3 is Divya bought 5 3 by 8 kg of mangoes and 3 5 by 8 kg of apples. Find the total mass of fruits she bought. So we have to find the total mass. Total mass means total weight of the mangoes and the apples. So total means we have to do add. So weight of mangoes is what? 5 3 by 8 kg. Weight of my apples 3 5 by 8 kg. Now what we have to do? Total weight of the fruits. So add this 5 3 by 8 kg plus 3 5 by 8 kg. Now firstly I am solving this one mixed fraction. Solve. 8 5s are 40. Firstly we are doing multiply the whole number and the denominator. 8 5s are 40 and add numerator plus 3 43. So what will come? 43 by 8 then plus. Now multiply 8 3 is a 24. 24 plus this numerator 5. So what will come? 29 by 8. Now denominator is same. Write one time. Then numerator 43 plus 29 add. 43 plus 29. What will come? 72 by 8. So you know if you will divide 72 by 8. So in 8 table on which number it will go? 9. 8 9s are 72. So answer will come. How much the weight total? This is 9 kg. So this is the answer, right? Now question number 4. Bhavna ate 1 by 4 of a cake while Shefali ate 3 by 4 of it. Who ate more cake and by how much? Now we have to do comparison. Who fraction part will be more? That ate more. So now see. Bhavna ate cake. How much? 1 by 4. Shefali ate cake 3 by 4. Now comparison we have to do. Which one part is more? That means she ate more. So compare 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Denominator same. Compare numerator 1 and 3. Which one is greater? This one 3. So this 3 by 4 is the greater one fraction. So who ate 3 by 4? Shefali ate more cake than Bhavna. Next question they are asking by how much. For how much we have to find the difference. So for difference 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 is the greatest fraction. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 is same denominator. Write one time. Then 3 minus 1. Right. 3 minus 1 means 2 by 4. Now 2 can divide 4. So what will come? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. This 2 ones are and 2. What came? Shefali ate 1 by 2 more cake than Bhavna. Right. Firstly we are comparing the fractions. Then after that with the help of the difference we are finding that how much Shefali ate more. Now next question. Rohan is 2 by 5 meter tall. Raju is 1 by 5 meter shorter than Rohan. So what is Raju's height? So firstly given the Rohan height is this much, 1 2 by 5 meter, and saying Raju is 1 by 5 meter shorter than Rohan. If Rohan is this much and Raju is shorter than shorter how much, 1 by 5 meter from this. So what we will do, subtract. So Raju's height, what we will do, Rohan's height minus 1 by 5 meter. We have to do subtraction this much. Now Rohan height is 1 2 by 5 meter minus 1 by 5 meter. Now solve this one mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. 7 by 5 meter minus 1 by 5 meter. 5 is denominator, right? Then 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6 and divide by 5. So this is the simple fraction only. So what is this? This is simplest form. So 6 by 5 meter is the height of the Rajus, right? So like this we have to solve. Now question number 6. From a bottle containing 2 1 by 4 liter juice, 3 by 4 liter of juice was taken out. How much juice was left in the bottle? So firstly they are saying this much the total juice in the bottle and this much the taken out. So what is the left in the bottle? Left here means we have to find the subtraction we have to do. So how to do total juice in the bottle? How much? 2 1 by 4 liter. Juice taken out how much? 3 by 4 liter. So juice left in the bottle, this much total and this much taken out. So taken out we will subtract from the total. So 2 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Firstly solve this mixed fraction. 4 2 is 8 plus 1. This is 9 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Denominator is same, right? So 9 minus 3 in the numerator. 9 minus 3 means 6 by 4. 6 and 4 we can divide both numbers with 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So 3 by 2 liter is this much juice left in the bottle, right? So please solve like this and do the practice of the same. Thank you.